Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your location, edit your location details, and also change the colors of the WeTrade app so it's branded. How we do this is I'm going to go ahead and click settings and then hit locations. If you have just registered your account with the WeTrade app, you will need to add your first location and enter in your details. If your location has already been added and you just need to edit them, you can edit it here. And this will cover all details of your business and also display your clinic hours for your patients. It's very important to upload the company logo. Once you upload the company logo, it will then display on the patient-facing side as well. In addition to your logo, when you click back, you can edit all the colors that is going to be client facing. Once you edit the colors, make sure you click the color there and you can enter in your exact hex codes. Take note that you can apply different colors to different locations, so it does have a button if having multiple states or locations that you can just carry over to additional ones.